Cool. Thanks, Bruce. Yeah, hi everyone. So I'm Katie. I'm a third year postdoc here at CU Anschutz. Just to give you kind of a brief overview of my background, I did my bachelor's in nutritional science at Iowa State University, and then I went to University of Illinois to do a PhD in nutritional science. And I did stay there a year as a postdoc in a nutrition and animal science lab. And then actually, I realized in my nutrition training that there was a pretty big gap in knowledge in our field, which is that we don't understand how nutrition impacts the cellular and molecular mechanisms guiding brain development. And so this was of great interest to me. And so I kind of did a search of different universities where I could do a different type of postdoc and stumbled upon Anschutz. And so I started my postdoc here in 2022 in the section of developmental biology in the Department of Pediatrics. And so this has been a really great opportunity, and I'll highlight some of those opportunities in the next slide. But I also wanted to say that through the opportunities here at Anschutz, I was able to apply for a K-99 through the NIH last year and just received the award in August of this year. And so hopefully in a couple years, I'll be able to start my own research lab. Yeah, Bruce, if you want to go to the next one. Yeah, so I wanted to highlight four areas where I feel like CU Anschutz really shines, different opportunities that are here that aren't necessarily at every institution. As Bruce highlighted, we have some cutting edge research from basic science to clinical. I'm on the more basic science side of things. I work with a zebrafish model, but I've also had opportunities to collaborate with people in the section of nutrition, in neonatology, and I think because we have such a wide variety of research paths here, it's a great opportunity to collaborate and be exposed to different types of research that you may not have been otherwise. Another cool thing about Anschutz is just the mentoring opportunities. There are great mentors on campus, as well as great opportunities to be a mentor for younger trainees. For example, I was able to mentor a couple of undergraduate students through the Children's Hospital's Child Health Research Internship Program for a couple of summers. And this was a really enriching opportunity for both me and hopefully my trainees as well. Another opportunity on campus is just lots of resources and ways to practice grant writing. This was helpful for me. I did have an F-32 when I first got here, and then, as I mentioned, with the K-99. I also was able to be part of a T-32 training grant my first year here, so there's just lots of opportunities for being a part of these training opportunities. And then also what's cool about Anschutz is there are also opportunities for getting your own independent funding. So through the Colorado Nutrition Obesity Research Center here and their pilot and feasibility program, I received a 2-year grant so I could do my own experiments. And this was a really cool thing that I don't think is offered in a lot of other institutions. And then lastly, I wanted to highlight the opportunities here for community involvement and for enhancing postdoc life through being a part of the postdoctoral association that Bruce talked a lot about. So I've been the treasurer on the Postdoc Association Exec Council for 2 years, or maybe close to 3 now. And it's been a really great opportunity to be involved and to interact with other postdocs and to just form a network that, and a lot of institutions, including the one I was at previously, I didn't really feel like I had a group of postdocs that I could go to and talk to. But here I feel like we really have a great community. So those are just four things I wanted to highlight that I think are valuable about CU Anschutz, and happy to take any questions later about any of these things. So thanks.